In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move multiple events Google Calendar tutorial. If you need to shift a bunch of events at once to someone else, the easiest and most reliable way is to share the entire calendar. And if you are on a work or school account, transfer ownership. I'll walk you through it clearly. Step by step, start on a computer at Calendar. Google.com. This process is designed for the desktop version. So avoid the mobile app for now. Make sure you are signed in to the account that currently holds the events you want to move. On the left side, look under My Calendars and find the calendar that contains those events. If you don't see it right away, hover and click the small arrow to expand the list. Hover over the calendar name, click the three dots to open options and choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the specific settings page for that calendar. Scroll down to the section called Share with Specific People. Here, click the option to add a person and enter the email address of the person who should take over. Double-check the address so you are giving access to the right account. In the Permissions drop-down, select Make Changes and Manage Sharing. This gives them full control of the calendar, including editing events, adding new ones, and changing who else can access the calendar. It's essential for handing over control and sets you up for a clean transfer. They'll receive an email invitation. Ask them to accept it. If you leave this page open, you might see their status as pending. A quick refresh after they accept will update it. Once the invitation is accepted, look at their name in the same Share with Specific People section. If you are using a work or school account, you'll see an option to transfer ownership next to their name. Click that to make them the owner. This action hands over the calendar and effectively moves all the events on it to their ownership in one go. On personal accounts, this specific transfer option may not be available, but they'll still have full control with the permission you granted. After the transfer, you can keep access. Downgrade your own permissions or remove yourself later if needed. A few tips: be sure you are working on the correct calendar, since transferring affects everything on it. Let attendees know if big changes are coming to avoid confusion. And remember that some updates may trigger email notifications to guests. That's it, your events are now managed by the new person. Thanks for watching.